Yeah. Rewriting this one till the wheels fall off. Come on, listen. We live in the day.
All right, we got ourselves in a big old hole here. We're at the side of a natural avalanche on Mt Owen. This avalanche probably failed last Thursday or Friday, and right now it's Tuesday the 16th. I'm on a pretty east aspect, and what I want to point out here is how strong this slab is, and how hard this slab is, and how much snow is above these December sugary weak layers. Back near town, we have less snow, and at lower elevations, this slab is a lot smaller. So it's much easier to trigger, and it's also easier to see signs of instability because our weight can affect the weak layer. But as we go higher in elevation, we still got the weak layer down there, but we don't see it and we don't feel it as well because our weight can't penetrate through this big old hard slab. So what we got to worry about up here is trigger points. Somewhere this slab thins near a rock or a windblown area, and then our weight can impact the weak layer below, and we could trigger an avalanche that could propagate and become much bigger. So a few signs of instability up here in the alpine, but the potential size of the avalanche is much larger and much more dangerous.
The beach, the rise, the peeps, the lives we live, we die, we love, we cry. Ups and downs are a part of the ride along. The beach, the rise, the peeps, the lives we live, we die, we love, we cry. Ups and downs are a part of the ride along.
Yeah, before the good words and knowledge, before this all started, was mad at the world, turned cold and broken hearted, seemed serious. Young mind and truly inexperienced.